Let's speak. Listen, read aloud and use. A. Come over to my house tomorrow. B. What time? A. At 5 in the evening. A. We are going to see a play. B. When are you going? A. Tomorrow. At 6 o'clock. Pranav. Hello, Vaibhav. Where are you going? Are you going home? Vaibhav. No, I'm going to the market. Do you want to come with me? Auntie. Hello, children. How are you? Isha and Uday. Fine. Auntie, thanks. Auntie. What's going on? Isha. I am reading. Uday. I am making a chart. Auntie. That's nice. And what's your mother doing? Isha. She is working on her laptop.